given to me. It says, true dreams are shown to the righteous people as a sign of their piety. Sometimes wicked people also see true dreams. What is the distinctions between the two?
She's asking that true dreams are generally seen by righteous people, but sometimes the wicked people also see that. So what is the distinction between the two?
Islam has explained this phenomenon. He says that if wicked people, which are much larger in number, were not shown any true dreams, they will never believe in the phenomenon of dream, in the phenomenon of true dreams from Allah. So as a sprinkling, so that even the areas which are full of wicked people, there are at least some witnesses there who stand up and declare that this is the phenomenon of dreams from God is a true phenomenon. We have seen this dream. So this sprinkling over is all over the world. I have no knowledge of any such incidents in China, but in most other parts of the world there are definitely incidents where even ordinary people who are not Muslim, they are shown good dreams. Maybe there is one little difference, that the very wicked is not shown, but the better among them are shown. So I think personally that could have been the phenomena. Among every wicked people there are some exceptions, good people as well. So they are good, they see righteous dreams, and they tell their people that these are the dreams, and the people also judge them by the sign of their realization. When the dreams are realized exactly as they had been shown, then naturally they have to believe. But because he is not claiming anything about his person, so it's not difficult for them to accept.
Was this the case for the Pharaoh in the time of Hadrat Yusuf alayhi salam?
Yes, but that was the case, slightly different in the sense that king of Egypt, he was not a Pharaoh, number one. He was a Malik, and he was a good man. He was not a wicked, oppressive man. His goodness is shown by his care for the hungry people all around. So he was shown a dream because it concerned a very large area, and people might have died of hunger in hundreds of thousands. Similarly, his dream became means of providing Hazrat Yusuf ﷺ the opportunity to have his own dream fulfilled in totality. So there are many reasons why that Malik was shown a dream. So it is a different case than ordinary cases.